For some airlines, the hub-and-spoke system is a major factor in flight operations. Previously defined as a system of routing air traffic in which a major airport serves as a central point for coordinating flights to and from other airports, the hub-and-spoke system became the norm for most major airlines after the US federal government deregulated the airlines in 1978. But why is it so important for flight operations now? Prior to deregulation, airlines used the direct route or point-to-point system. Under the system, airlines were forced by the federal government to fly directly between two small markets. Unfortunately, the result was that many flights being half empty on a regular basis and airlines losing money. Today, most airlines have at least one central airport that their flights have to go through. From that hub, the spoke flights take passengers to select destinations. Delta Airlines serves as a good example of how the hub-and-spoke system helps with flight operations. Delta has its hub at Hartsfield Atlanta International Airport. So, how does this work? Here's an example. Let's say you are in Charleston, South Carolina and want to go to Memphis, Tennessee. There's probably not a lot of demand for a Charleston to Memphis flight. So the airline flies you from Charleston to Atlanta and then from Atlanta to Memphis via a connecting flight. Another interesting example is seen in Spain, where low-cost carrier Vueling has its hub in Barcelona. So, for a person flying with Vueling from Santiago de Compostela to Madrid, we'll have to touch in Barcelona first, despite Madrid being the midpoint between Santiago and Barcelona. In any case, the purpose of the hub-and-spoke system is to save airlines money and give passengers better route to destinations. Airplanes are an airline's most valuable commodity, and every flight has certain set costs. Each seat on the plane represents a portion of the total flight cost. For each seat that is filled by a passenger, an airline lowers its break-even price, which is the seat price at which an airline stops losing money and begins to show a profit on the flight. Of course, not all airlines use the hub-and-spoke approach. A good example is Southwest Airlines, an airline that uses old-fashioned point-to-point system, hauling people short distances with few connecting flights. However, Southwest offers very few non-stop flights on longer routes. At the end of 2000, Southwest served approximately 306 one-way non-stop city pairs. Its point-to-point system provides a more direct route than a hub-and-spoke airline can offer.